सो वेलकम बैक टू माय स्टूडियो गाइस। आज मैं हूँ बिहाइंड द कैमरा और विवान आए हुए हैं हमारे स्टूडियो में। हेलो, वेलकम विवान, हाउ आर यू?
आई एम फाइन।
ओके, हम वीडियो इसलिए बना रहे हैं गाइस कि इन्होंने एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग बिल्ड चूज़ किया है, बनाया हमने। और इसका जो कैबिनेट है दैट इज़ आपके सामने पड़ी हुई है, ब्यूटीफुल वाइट थीम H9 NZXT 4080 गीगाबाइट का सुपर एरो ग्राफिक कार्ड है। कॉन्फ़िगरेशन गाइस हम आपको बताएंगे टुवर्ड्स द एंड ऑफ दिस वीडियो। थोड़ी सी वार्तालाप बात करना चाहेंगे। वुड लाइक टू टॉक टू विवान। विवान, हाउ डिड यू कम टू नो अबाउट बिटकार्ट? दैट इज माय फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन।
From your YouTube videos and a friend of my papa.
Okay.
He told me about you, and that's why I came to know
Guys,
you.
Vivan's father is a renowned lawyer. He had come to us few days back, and he researched the entire market. And I'm very grateful to his father that he had given me about 3.5 lakh rupees 4-5 days back. That thank you for the trust in Bitkart, Vivan. Now the build is ready. What is the most beautiful thing you like about this build?
The graphic card and the LCD display over here of
Yes,
RS.
the lighting system, the graphic card, overall look, ये इन्होंने खुद ही प्लान किया है. And this was designed and configured by Krishna ji. And did you like the attitude of our team? Any
Yes,
feedback?
yes. No problem.
Any
And,
critical comments you would like to improve?
all
right?
of the people in the are very friendly,
Right.
and I tell the audience who are watching to
Right.
come to Bitkart and build their gaming PC rigs.
So I would like to thank Vivan and his father and his family for the trust that he showed to Bitkart. They've searched the entire market, and the beautiful build is ready. So I also pledge through this video that I'm going to give you 3 years warranty, free pick and drop. He's from Delhi only, guys, and anything happens, I'll be there to help him. So thank
Sure.
you, Vivan. Thank you to his father. Thank you, guys, for watching this video. Have a lovely day.